Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram Notes feature not showing. So basically, you have to just go to the Play Store here, and after that, you have to search Instagram mobile application. So in the place of open, if you get the option of update, then update the app right now. After updating the app, you can get the feature of Note because in the latest version, it is available. Right, so just reopen the app, and if you get the Note feature, then it's great. Otherwise, you have to do one thing. You have to just go to the setting of your phone, scroll a little bit down, then just click on the apps, go to the app management. And here guys, in your phone it can be somewhere else, but basically you have to find the app management of Instagram. So here I will just search Instagram, right? And here in the storage usage, I will just clear the storage cache, and after clearing it, this will fix up my problem. But if it doesn't, you have to clear the data, and after clearing the data, you have to re-log in, and that's it. And here you have to uninstall your Instagram and just reinstall it, and that's it. Your problem will be fixed for 100%. So if you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.